Hi everyone, welcome back to the Job Opportunity Series episode 3. இந்த வீடியோல நம்ம கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ண போகிறது 0 to 2 years of experience அப்புறம் 2 to 4 years of experience. ஸோ இந்த ரேஞ்சில் தான் நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட்லேருந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் வரைக்கும் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ don't miss out any of the opportunities listed out here. Let's get into the video. So the first opportunity is from Travex. Travexல if you go to the careers, we can see all openings. So idla you can be able to find it for junior UX UI designer. You have the opening here, and இது வந்து full and full freshers இல்லைனா few months of experience similar role இருந்தால் கூட ஓகே தான். ஸோ their main thing is like you can have a look at it what their mostly web designing, web development தான் அவங்க எதிர்பார்க்குறாங்க. ஸோ ப்ரோட்டோடைப்பிங் டூல்ஸ்ன்னு பார்க்கும்போது ஃபிக்மா அண்ட் எக்ஸ்டீரியர் அண்ட் ப்ரொஃபிஷியன்சி வந்து ஃபோட்டோஷாப் அண்ட் இல்லஸ்ட்ரேட்டரில் இருக்கணும் டிசைன் ப்ரொஃபிஷியன்சியில். அண்ட் HTML CSS வந்து தெரிஞ்சிருந்தால் இட் வில் பி பெட்டர். So this is what their requirement is. And the next is Big Sum. So idla vandu I think you can go to the Big Sum website to the jobs, and then from there you can find the UX designer job. So here they're hiring for fresher again. It's a full time in Bangalore, and you can apply with all your details and the cover letter and resume. Okay, and the next opening is from Caudal Tech. So Caudal Tech la you can go to the careers. So here you'll be able to find the careers. So here they are requiring for UX/UI engineer. Maybe job role is different here, UX/UI engineer, but they are experienced in design tools is for Photoshop and Illustrator. Experience in prototyping tool is required for Figma and XD, and expertise in HTML CSS. So basic things in that தெரிஞ்சிருந்தா போதும். And Zeppelinல export பண்ணுறதுக்கு InVision developerல hand over பண்ணுறதுக்காக இந்த tools எல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சிருந்தா it will be better. So it's in the opening is in both Bangalore and Calicut. You can have a look at it. And the next one is from Vyapar. இதில் வந்து you have the opening for product designer 1 to 4 years of experience. So idla vandu you can apply for this job by after reading the key responsibilities and design skills. Mostly they are requiring for Figma, so you can have a look at it. Experience in the 1 year they are hiring for. And the next one is Socially Good. So this is a website where they are hiring for again 0 to 2 years of experience kulla. They are looking for the junior of course, and they need a very good strong web designing skills. Like if you know something about website designing, like it's better to apply. They have this interview, face-to-face interview rounds. Maybe you might need to go to the location to attend the interview for this. So here also they are expecting around 1 to 3 years. And the next one is Golden Pie. So idla vandu you can go to the career options here. Careers la poi from there you can find it from product and marketing. Adukulla visual designer nu or option irukum. So idla vandu you can see their mostly they are requiring for UI design. There is no UX required. So see the responsibilities. They are requiring for 2+ years of professional experience. They are more concerned towards typography, illustration and visual design. And the next job is Blackline. So Blackline la you can go to the careers here. Why are we having it here? You can go to the about, and from there you can get the careers. Careers la you can find product designer. So it's in Bangalore, India. It's a hybrid product-based company. If you apply for this, give your email ID and proceed with the application. That's the process for this. And the next one is Nexeo, where you can find the opening. Nexeo la poningna you can see the career option here. Idla UX UI designer no option irukum. Click on apply now and see their experience. So 1 to 4 years is fine. So minimum 1 year experience is fine. So idla vandu UX UI designer vacancy 3 vacancies irukku, like people can apply. They have to fill it and apply for it. And the next one is Intuit. So Intuit, they have the opening for product designer where they require 2 years of experience in product design. So maybe this will be helpful for the people who have the basic experience in product designing. And yeah, you can apply through this. Careers at Intuit la ponga, veru Intuit la pona you will find the home page. From there you need to eduva irundhalum you go to the careers and check for the job in the website irundhalum. And the next one is Optim Global. So here I think you have the opening for UX designer. So it's a full-time remote work job. இதில் வந்து நிறைய என்ன இயர்ஸ் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் வேணுன்றதை வந்து ரொம்ப டீட்டெயில்டாக போடல. ஸோ மேபி ஈவன் ஃப்ரெஷர்ஸ் கேன் ஆல்சோ அப்ளை பேஸ்ட் ஆன் த ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டிஸ். இதெல்லாம் ரீட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Like if you feel that you know all this, you are suitable for this job, you can apply for it. Next one is Yapsody. So here, if you go to the careers down, view the opportunities for product user experience designer. They need the experience of around 3 years. Its location is in Mumbai. The next one is TVS. They have the opening for a UX designer to design for their cluster and customer app. They need around 4 to 6 years of experience. So if you guys are trying for some type of this company, maybe you can apply for this. And the next one is Open Text, from where we have to go to the careers. And you have the option to view all opportunities. So you have the opening for UX designer here. They need around 2 to 5 years of strong software interaction design experience. I think minimum 2 years of experience can also apply for this job. And the next one is Innovate Tech Careers. So idla vandu you can go to careers first and look for talent opportunities. Let's go for Bangalore. And here you go. They are preferring the immediate joiners, I think, who are in the notice period can apply for this job. So they need minimum of around 5 years of experience in UX UI design. And the final one is Present. Yeah, they have the open positions here as a UX UI designer. Again, if you want to apply for this job, here it is. So here also we need around 5+ years of experience in UX UI design. So this is also good. They also require the bachelor's or master's design degree. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video will be helpful for the people who are studying for the job. And I'll meet you all in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.